We are starting. The topic for today's group discussion is work from home, pros and cons. That is advantages and
Yes,
disadvantages of work from home culture. So, Lavi, start.
Yes, firstly, I want to say you advantage of work from home. Save time, flexibility जो हमारे flexibility working hours and balance between work life and personal life. We can give time to our family while working from home. Uh, we can spend more time with our family
Next,
from
Muskan.
home.
yes, sir. I'm going. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm going to say about the pros and cons of working from home. It means that, sir, you have a flexibility. Massive. Going to about the cons, there is no physical separations between work and leisure time. After doing in a home, and we can achieve many things from home, sir. So I think that we can get a lot of time to do some things that's like joyfulness work, classmates works. That's it.
Okay, Vishnu, your turn. Say something.
Yes, yes, sir. First of all, sir, advantage. In this lockdown time, working from home is a very easy because they can take advantage of online classes from home. And the disadvantage is that children are not able to study well on a smartphone because not all children have a smartphone.
Lavi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, say some disadvantages. You were saying something.
Yes, sir. Firstly, no human interaction between while work from home. Suppose if we go to our office, so we can meet a lot of people, our friends, our colleagues, we can meet there. And hard to switch means matlab, like suppose that we there is no balance between our timing. So we sleep at 2 p.m. and we wake up at 9 a.m. So this is not good. So hard to switch off, and many distraction also there. Suppose that many background noise can arise at the time of work from home.
Okay, okay.
Anyone can
Okay,
disturb you.
okay, okay, Lavi. Radhika, say something.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, so working from home can be an attractive option for many professional, but in my view, work from home is the demand of current challenging time because I think there can be many reasons for it. One of these are connectivity issue.
Okay, Muskan, your turn.
Yes, sir. That's my turn. I'm going to say about the pro. There are very fewer interruptions from meeting and chit chat, sir. And cons about saying about cons. It is easy to misread cues versus electronic communications.
Okay, Vishnu, say
So
something.
I
Yes, yes. The disadvantage of working from home is that loneliness feel and doesn't meet your friends and other people and children are also loneliness feel and doesn't meet our friends and class teachers and other people.
Okay, Lavi,
So
do you want to say something else?
sir, many people think that if someone is doing work from home, so they thought matlab, they create a bad reputation for them. They give the office job, they give the value more to the office job. They think work from home is nothing, but we have to accept everything due to COVID. Everyone is doing work from home, but some offices open, but few percentage matlab, on a odd even pattern they will join office, and rest of the people are doing work from home. And also collaboration suffers. Suppose that there are emails and video calls and stuff like that, but something are just easier and quicker to explain when you are sitting right next to the person, means limited communication options at the time of work from home. So this is a disadvantage.
Okay, Radhika, say something.
Sir, home is like women are expected to take care of home and children. But with this responsibility, work from home, several women are like focused to leave their job. But due to rise in this culture, it is a boon for them. And also, employees have to set up a work environment at home, like which will definitely cause a extra expense. And also, like some companies are giving so much work just because their employees are working from home. They are working more than their company hours. And also, teamwork is a bit difficult while working from home because communicating with them will will demand a perfect communication, which can be a barrier for a employee.
Okay, you talked about women. Will this
Yeah.
work from home culture is a boon beneficial for women?
Yes,
Is
sir,
this culture
definitely.
is a boon and
Yes, sir.
beneficial? Explain everybody one by one. Okay,
I
Lavi.
explain.
Okay.
This is good for women because the women can balance their work life and personal life. They can give time to their family, and this is a big opportunity for the women, and they accept this, and they want to continue this culture in their whole life.
Okay, Radhika.
Because she will not be more dependent on anyone. She can work from home and it will not cost any to go anywhere. And also in this way she can give their time, she can easily differentiate their time for kids or for exercise or for any work.
Okay, Muskan, are you there?
Hello.
My question was, this work from home culture is beneficial for women? How?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's really beneficial for women. It is and really useful for women because there is no commute and time to explore. She can save a lot of time, avoid wasting her words. She can read out and understand, make understands to their children and enhance the knowledges to sitting down from home. She can get a lot of things from social media platforms that's like YouTube's and Google's. Mm, and
Okay,
in this
okay.
in this lockdown time, sir, when the COVID spikes, children are sitting down in their home. College are closed, so children are also concentrate their mind on studies after this during this lockdown.
Okay, my last question is, if you are given the opportunity of working, then what will you choose? Working from home or working in office? Lavi,
Working in office,
Working
sir.
in office.
explain.
Working in office.
Working in office. Radhika.
Sir, we can.
Yes, sir,
we
definitely
can,
working
we
from
can
office.
learn.
Okay, okay. One by one.
Sir, we can learn many. We can learn many things from our colleagues, and we can meet different people, and we can get motivate from other people who is doing work with us, and also we can travel, sir.
Okay, Muskan, what do you want?
Yes, sir. It is. Yes, sir. It is really crucial to be successful. Working in office, sir. And it makes it a lots of easier plan and hours, and also provides a space, sir, to meet up with the clients and colleges instead of having to travel regularly, sir. So I think that I will also do in official work.
Okay.